Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Sora AI. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Just search in your search bar Sora AI, so something like this, and then just press whatever comes up first. From there, all you can see is that you have to scroll down and check if there's any update on how to use Sora AI. So currently in their website, there is still no listed website for Sora AI, but yet this is in testing, and as you can see, these are some results. So they will release it as soon as they give one. So as long this is where you go, this is where you will find the link for Sora AI, since it's still not yet available. And here you can read their technical report on how they're gonna do it. But as of the moment, as you can see, there is still no other way to access Sora AI unless this is the page that you go to. So I will update you guys on when to use and how to use Sora AI in the future in this time being. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.